So I posted this video on my short video. You can see it's a short video. Then it got a lot of people talking that the rock days back in the 90s, 80s, even 2000s, early 2000s, and I'm like wondering what style is it called. Then I went to do my research and I discovered it's called, they call it three different names: the net curls, popcorn wave or curls, then pineapple curls. Pineapple was the major one people were really calling. So I did my research on how it is done and how to style it. Just watch this video today and to be able to see how it is done. So you start off by cutting the hair and relaxing it. Yeah, it works with a very relaxed hair. Then you style it to the part you want. Then you go ahead to apply your mousse and gel. Then you put in your net on the edge. The net needs to lay very well. That's how you pick out the curls. It's the net that brings out the curls. If the net is not well laid, the curls won't come out very well. So you lay the net very well, then you start picking out the curls. You can see the way it's picking out the curls. You can use a pin or use a tail comb. That's how it's done. So once you're done picking out the curls, you go ahead to put it under the dryer. So you leave it to dry under the dryer for a couple of minutes, then it's done. You come out with your beautiful look. Just watch this video today and to see the full tutorial on how to achieve this net gel curls or popcorn curls or the pineapple curls, whichever way you call it. Just watch this video today and to see how it's done.